beautiful people, welcome back to Joyce Queen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I relocked my client's dreadlocks with 8 months of undergrowth. Yes, 8 whole months. Not only that, I'll be telling you the perfect tips that I normally apply while relocking to achieve a clean, long-lasting result. So if you want to learn how to relock like a pro or maintain your own dreadlocks better, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share with someone who needs to see this transformation. Let's get started. Tip 1. Bring out one roll, burn the rest. The first thing I do is bring out one roll of hair at a time and use a band to hold the others aside. This helps to organize the work, reduce tangling, and let me focus fully on one section. It also makes the process neater and faster. Why is this important? Because it saves time, prevents stress on the scalp, and keeps the parts clean as you work row by row. Tip 2. Apply water. Water softens the hair and helps make parting and locking easier. I usually use a spray bottle, but in this video I forgot mine, so I used a bowl of water and applied it gently with my hands. Why is this important? Damp hair is easier to work with. It reduces breakage, helps control frizz, and preps the hair for relocking. Don't soak it, just damp it enough to soften the roots. Tip 3. Use hair cream or hair oil. I apply a little hair cream to each section. This adds moisture and shine and also protects the hair from tension during locking. Why is this important? Oils and cream nourishes the scalp, prevent dryness, and make the locking process smoother and more comfortable for your clients. Choose something light that won't cause build-up. Tip 4. Part the hair neatly. Clean parting is so important, especially after months of undergrowth. I take my time to redefine each line using a rat tail comb. I don't rush this part because it sets the whole tone for the final look. Why is this important? Neat parting makes the dreadlocks look fresh, uniform, and professional. It also helps reduce future tangling and makes maintenance easier. Tip 5. Locking the roots with crochet pin. Now here is where the real magic starts. I use a crochet pin method to lock the roots. Before I lock, I gently twist the base, then use the pin to lock the roots. I lock in different directions to get a firm hold and ensure it lasts longer. Why? This technique helps lock the hair faster and tighter without using gel or products. It also prevents unraveling and keeps the roots strong. Tip 6. Knitting the body of the dreadlocks. After locking the roots, I go further to knitting the body of each lock using the crochet pin. I tuck in any flyaway strands and smooth out rough parts of the dreads. Why is this important? Because it gives the dreadlocks a smooth finished look and prevents them from looking rough or frizzy, especially if the hair hasn't been done for a long time. This step takes patience, but the result is always worth it. This hair actually took me about 8 to 9 hours to complete from start to finish. So trust me, it was a full day of work. But me and my client had some nice discussions and cool laughs along the way. It was like a hair session and a friendly hangout in one. I really love discussing with my clients anytime I'm doing their hair. Though it depends on the kind of clients, but majority of my clients I do discuss with them. It gives me this strength, and the work will be going smoothly. Don't get me wrong, it's my hand that is doing the work, okay? It's my hand, yes. So I work with my hand, not with my mouth. So that will not distract me from doing it perfectly. So my beautiful people, relax and stay with me to the end and await the transformation. If you have watched to this extent and you haven't subscribed yet, please use this opportunity to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, please. It will help this video to reach more dread lovers like you. Thanks. finally, hair mousse. Finally, after I finished locking, I applied a little hair mousse. This mousse helps to set the hair, reduce frizz, and give it a silk, shiny finish. Now, just look at the transformation from 8 months of undergrowth to neat, firm, and beautiful dreadlocks, done with love and the right techniques. If your dreadlocks are overdue, don't worry. With these tips, you can get them locked in shape too. Practice make perfect. Whether you are a loctician or doing it yourself, take your time and follow each step. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Tell me, what tip did you find most helpful? I post hair care tips, dreadlocks tutorials, and natural hair DIYs every week. So turn on your notification bell so you never miss an update. Also share this video with someone who needs it. You never know who you might be helping today. Stay blessed and stay beautiful. See you in the next one. Bye.